Why is the MVP concept so vital? Imagine pouring resources into a product only to realize later that there's no demand for it. Enter the minimum viable product MVP, a game changer in the world of innovative product development.
I'm Todi. Stay with me and let's explore the MVP concept.
Big names like LinkedIn, Dropbox, and Uber have all embraced the MVP strategy, and for good reason. Let's rewind to 1999. Picture a young entrepreneur on a quest for a specific pair of shoes. Faced with disappointment at local stores, he had a light bulb moment, selling shoes online. And thus, the concept of the MVP was born. Instead of exhaustive market research, he launched a basic website, snapped pictures of shoes at a local store, and fulfilled orders as they came in. Now, why is the MVP concept crucial for product success? 1. Saves time and money. Building and launching an MVP allows you to focus on essential features, saving precious time and resources by avoiding unnecessary investments in non-essential features. 2. Validates assumptions. With an MVP, you can test your assumptions and validate your product hypothesis before committing significant resources. This helps you avoid costly mistakes and ensures your product aligns with customer needs. 3. Provides early feedback. Launching an MVP enables you to gather feedback early in the development process. This feedback informs decisions about feature additions or removals, improving your product's fit with customer needs. 4. Allows iteration. An MVP sets the stage for continuous improvement based on customer feedback, increasing the likelihood of product success by adapting to evolving customer needs. How to embrace the MVP concept? 1. Understand the benefits, recognize the advantages of the MVP approach, including cost and time savings, hypothesis validation, early feedback, and iterative development. 2. Adopt a lean approach. Embrace lean principles by focusing on critical features, minimizing waste, and iterating based on feedback to optimize product development. 3. Prioritize customer feedback. Make customer input a priority and use it to inform product decisions, ensuring alignment with customer needs and preferences. 4. Be willing to pivot. Remain open to pivoting and adjusting your product direction based on customer feedback and market insights. 5. Maintain a clear vision. Keep sight of your product vision and how the MVP fits into your broader goals, ensuring alignment and progress toward your objectives. In conclusion, the MVP concept is a cornerstone of successful product development, offering benefits like cost savings, hypothesis validation, early feedback, and iterative improvement. By embracing a lean approach, listening to customer feedback, and maintaining a clear vision, you can effectively implement the MVP concept and launch a product that resonates with your target audience.
For more contents like this, please like, share, subscribe, and follow. Thanks for watching.